Just a little little update on the monitor stand I made. Well, I welded it on there, so if a square, it'll fit up a square tube, right? So you know it'll fit there, like okay, like that. Am I too close? Now on the bottom of my speakers, it's got 3 pointy pegs. So what I'm trying to do, I sprayed it so I can see it better, obviously. And what I want to do, if anything would work for me today, I got 3 pointed pegs there. 1, 2, 3. So I want it as far back as I can. So we need the middle. So that's 100. So I have 100 is 50. Right. Now the front legs are 80 apart, so we've got to go 40 that way, 40 that way, 40 that way. Close to the edge really, but it should be alright. 40 that way. Hold your hand. Right. Right, excuse me using that for a punch, but I've got no love in woodwork, so I'm going to give it a quick coat of paint. Is that quick? This is it just covers so easily, you know. There's no hanging about. That dries. Plus, look at the drying time on it. Dries like quick lightning. So we let that dry with one hand. I do this every fucking time. Can I go in there, Bob? No, I won't. Yes, I will. No, I won't. I should go in there. Give me a minute. Just to make that a bit stronger. Stronger, yeah. Is I use a bit of this, but the thing is, it's not shiny, it's flat, it's a matte, but it does toughen up, it toughens up that it don't make it so scratchy. Right, we'll let that dry. Well, I don't know how you can see that, but this is the moment of truth. This is my speakers. Look, they got the free. Oh fuck. I drew them the wrong way, but did I? No, I didn't. So we open this now. This now fits into that square hole. Like that. Simple as that, look. And then my speaker, which is on a tight line, should reach. We haven't, because it was just a matter of either putting extensions on I'll see when it's holding me up now. Looking at that, it's pretty tight. So let me pull out into them holes we did, which is very good. So that goes there like that. And I'll just rerun the wire across the board if I got to. Let's see how much I can make up there. I did a little space there because I thought, well, but at least now when you turn, your lot's going to turn with it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Right, all we gotta do is, oh God. What you can use is just a bass speaker, so we'll sort it out now, right there. I gotta go under the table because I put cable tie on there last night. So I just need some cup connectors, and you know. So just basically it'll do that. That one's leaning a bit, we can sort that out. That's pretty good, that one. I did bend them before I brought them, so I'll just take it down. Anyway, fuck that. Fuck the shit talk, let's just see if they works. We'll all be alright. I'll leave a link below if you want to see how we made it, how we made the actual stand. This is just a video how to make the speaker stands. So we're not happy with this one. Yeah, you see it's got a slight lean on it, so I'm just going to take that off there. Happy with that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget it's Thursday Night Live. If you're interested in popping on, chance of winning a freebie giveaway and meet some really nice people. Okay, see you later.